You wake up in the middle of the night because your feet are on fire, not from injury, but from a burning sensation so intense you can't fall back asleep. You swing your legs out of bed, and when your feet touch the floor, you barely feel the carpet beneath you. It's like walking on cotton, numb and disconnected. Tingling shoots up through your calves. Your toes feel thick and foreign, like they belong to someone else's body. You've mentioned it to your doctor. You've heard words like peripheral neuropathy thrown around, and you've probably been told some version of this. It's just aging, it's probably genetic. Learn to live with it. Here's what they're not telling you. In the vast majority of cases, none of that is true. Researchers spent over a decade tracking thousands of adults experiencing unexplained nerve damage. What they discovered changed everything we thought we knew about neuropathy in older adults. 67% of people suffering from mysterious nerve damage shared one hidden factor. Not diabetes, not genetics, something far more common, something most people encounter every single day without realizing it's slowly poisoning their nerves from the inside out. I'm Dr. Rebecca Harris, and I've spent decades treating people with burning feet, numb hands, electric shock pains, and balance problems that rob them of their independence. One of the most frustrating things I witness is how often people are given completely wrong explanations for why their nerves are dying. Today, I'm revealing the truth about what's destroying your nervous system. And the number one cause will shock you. Medical researchers have called it the single most underdiagnosed source of preventable nerve destruction in adults over 50. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's happening inside your body, which critical nutrient your nerves are starving for, and the specific steps you must take right now before the damage becomes permanent and irreversible. Let's start with what's actually happening in your body. Peripheral neuropathy is the medical term for nerve damage that occurs outside your brain and spinal cord. These peripheral nerves are like communication highways, constantly carrying messages back and forth between your brain and every part of your body. When these nerves become damaged, the communication system breaks down. Your body responds with warning signals. Tingling that feels like pins and needles, burning pain that intensifies at night, sharp, shooting sensations that come without warning, numbness that makes it hard to feel temperature or texture. This isn't just discomfort or inconvenience, it's your nervous system literally crying out that something critical is wrong. Here's what shocks most people. One of the leading causes of this nerve destruction isn't some rare disease or mysterious condition. It's a deficiency in a single vitamin that your body absolutely needs to keep your nerves functioning properly. That vitamin is B12, and without adequate levels, your entire nervous system begins to deteriorate. Vitamin B12 has one job that's absolutely critical for your nerves. It produces and maintains myelin, which is the protective insulation coating every single nerve fiber in your body. Think about electrical wires in your home. They have rubber or plastic coating to protect them and ensure electricity flows smoothly. Your nerves work the same way. Myelin is that protective coating. Without enough B12, that coating starts breaking down. The nerve signals become erratic, slow down, or stop completely. That's when you start feeling the tingling, the numbness, the burning pain. The terrifying part is how quietly this happens. Early symptoms are so subtle that most people ignore them completely. It might start with occasional tingling in your toes that you brush off, a pins and needles sensation in your fingertips that comes and goes, burning in the soles of your feet that you attribute to standing too long, weakness in your legs that you blame on lack of exercise, trouble with balance or coordination that you think is just clumsiness, even brain fog, unexplained fatigue, or mood changes can trace back to B12 deficiency affecting your nervous system. These symptoms creep up so gradually that by the time you realize something's seriously wrong, significant nerve damage may have already occurred. Now let's talk about why this deficiency happens in the first place. Most people assume it's just about diet, not eating enough meat or animal products. While that's part of the story, especially for strict vegetarians and vegans, there are hidden factors that catch people completely off guard. Aging is a major culprit. As you get older, your stomach naturally produces less acid, and you need stomach acid to extract B12 from the food you eat. So even if you're eating plenty of B12-rich foods, your body might not be absorbing it properly. Then there are medications. If you're taking metformin for diabetes or proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux or heartburn, these drugs actively interfere with B12 absorption. You could be eating perfectly and still becoming severely deficient because your medication is blocking absorption. Chronic digestive conditions like Crohn's disease, celiac disease, or an autoimmune condition called pernicious anemia can completely destroy your body's ability to absorb B12. And here's the dangerous part. You can have these conditions for years without knowing it, all while your nerves are quietly being damaged. Let me explain exactly what's happening inside your nervous system when B12 levels drop. Your nerve fibers are constantly losing their protective myelin coating. Imagine it like insulation being stripped away from electrical wires bit by bit. At first, the wires still work, but the signals become weaker and slower. Eventually, the exposed wires start short-circuiting. That's when you feel the tingling and numbness. As more myelin is lost, the nerve signals become completely disrupted. That's when burning pain starts, when weakness develops, when coordination fails. If this continues long enough without treatment, the nerve damage becomes permanent. Your body loses the ability to repair those nerves, and the symptoms you're experiencing now become your permanent reality. But lifestyle factors make everything worse. Excessive alcohol consumption directly damages nerve tissue while also interfering with B12 absorption. Smoking restricts blood flow to your nerves, depriving them of oxygen and nutrients they need to repair themselves. Diets lacking in essential nutrients create a perfect storm, where your nerves are under attack from multiple directions. Add uncontrolled blood sugar, especially if you have diabetes or prediabetes, and you're accelerating nerve destruction at an alarming rate. Your nervous system is facing deficiency, toxicity, inflammation, and oxygen deprivation all at once. Here's where the science gives us hope. Medical research shows that catching B12 deficiency early and correcting it can completely halt the progression of nerve damage. In many cases, especially when caught in the early stages, nerve function can actually be restored. The tingling goes away, the numbness improves, the burning pain subsides, the weakness reverses. And this is absolutely critical, timing is everything. The longer the deficiency continues, the more permanent the damage becomes. Nerves that have been severely damaged for years may never fully recover, even with aggressive B12 treatment. That's why recognizing the warning signs and acting immediately is so crucial. So what are the warning signs you absolutely cannot ignore? Persistent tingling or numbness in your hands, feet, or legs that doesn't go away. Burning sensations in your feet that worsen at night. Weakness or heaviness in your legs that makes walking or climbing stairs difficult. Balance problems or feeling unsteady on your feet. Difficulty with fine motor tasks like buttoning shirts or picking up small objects. Unexplained fatigue that doesn't improve with rest. Brain fog, memory issues, or difficulty concentrating. Mood changes, including depression or irritability, with no clear cause. If you're experiencing any combination of these symptoms, a simple blood test can reveal your B12 levels. Many people put off testing because the symptoms seem minor or intermittent, but even mild deficiency, if it persists long enough, can cause significant and potentially permanent nerve damage. Here's what most people don't understand about B12. Your liver stores several years' worth of this vitamin. That sounds like a good thing, but it actually makes the problem more dangerous. Because your body has these stores, deficiency develops slowly over years. The symptoms creep up so gradually that you don't notice the progression until you're already significantly deficient and nerve damage is well underway. By the time symptoms become severe enough to worry you, you've likely been deficient for a long time. Let's talk about who's most at risk. If you're over 50, your risk increases dramatically because stomach acid production naturally declines with age. If you follow a strict vegetarian or vegan diet without proper supplementation, you're at high risk since B12 is found almost exclusively in animal products. If you take medications like metformin, proton pump inhibitors, or certain antacids regularly, you need to be monitoring your B12 levels closely. If you have any digestive disorder, including Crohn's disease, celiac disease, or have had gastric bypass surgery, your absorption is compromised. If you drink alcohol heavily or smoke, you're damaging your nerves while also depleting B12. Any of these factors puts you at significant risk. Treatment isn't complicated, but it needs to be targeted to the cause and severity of your deficiency. For mild deficiencies caught early, dietary changes might be enough. Adding more B12-rich foods like eggs, fish, poultry, dairy, and fortified cereals can restore levels over time. For moderate deficiencies, oral supplements in tablet or sublingual form work well.